how you can download and install Figma on your Mac. So first step is to open this webpage, which is figma.com/downloads. And once you are here, make sure to scroll down and find desktop app. And we want the desktop app for Mac OS in order if you have the Mac OS. Otherwise, if you have Windows, simply click Windows, but we got Mac, so simply click it, click on save, wait until it's downloaded. Now you can open the downloaded file and grab Figma and place it to your applications. Now double tap on applications and find Figma, which is here, double click it, click on open and wait until it's downloaded. Now you have to sign in to your Figma account, so I'm going to do it right now. And once you are logged in, you can proceed the installation. You can fill here this information, how do you plan to use Figma, etc. So click here. Here you can also invite someone, you can skip here. And now choose your plan. I'm gonna set the free one, starter, click on continue and choose what do you want to make first. You can skip. And now you can use Figma on your Mac, and that's how you can do it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.